everybody, Miss Kennedy here in my science classroom. Yay! We're going to demonstrate the moon phases today by going through a little experience activity. So I've got my moon right here. I'm going to be a person on Earth. And this is my sun. And here's my real life sun. All right, so my first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stand with my styrofoam ball, my moon, in between myself and the sun. So the moon is between the sun and the earth. So as the moon revolves around our earth, we're going to see different moon phases. So right now I see a dark moon. It looks dark. This is a new moon. As I rotate about 1/8 of a turn, you can see that I'm gaining a little bit of light on my right side. And just like we had in our vocabulary notes, our foldable, this is a small, less than 50% section of our moon illuminated. This is my waxing crescent. As I make another point here, I can see that I've gained more light and I have about half of my moon illuminated, or at least it appears that way to me. Let's see if I can get a better half shadow on there. At least it appears that way to me here on Earth. But in reality, if you think about it, there's this whole other side that I'm not seeing as a person on Earth. So technically, only 1/4 of it is illuminated, hence a quarter moon. I'm going to continue to make another rotation. And if you notice, I have even more of my moon illuminated or reflecting the sun's light. And this is greater than 50%, so this would be my waxing gibbous. As I continue along, I'm going to hold this up higher because we're going to see I'm tall. We're going to see a full moon. So the entire side that I'm looking at is, I guess it's my phone getting in the way. So the entire part that I'm looking at is illuminated. This is a full moon. I'm going to continue with my rotations, my revolution technically. And I can see that a small section on the right side got a little bit dark. This would be my waning, so now I'm losing light. My waning gibbous. I'll continue another 1/8 of the way. And here I am again. It looks like half of it's illuminated. It's on the left side because that's where my sun is coming from. This is my third or last quarter moon. So again, it's still a quarter moon. This time we're calling it a third or last because it's at that part of my moon phase cycle. I'm going to make my final revolution, and you can see really well here that it's just a crescent shape on the left. So when the light's on the left, that's my crescent shape, and it's called a waning crescent. If I make another revolution around the earth, I'm back where I started, between the sun and the earth. So this was a demonstration of the moon phases. In Google Classroom, you guys have little manipulatives to kind of move around. You drag and drop. So that's what you guys are going to do. Go answer some questions and keep working hard.